Hello friends, welcome to Let's Do It. As part of the Python interview question series, I will discuss the solutions to the important and tricky Python questions asked during the interview process. Okay, without delay, let's jump into the main part of this video. Okay, the question asked here is to explain the string slicing. Basically, in interview, the interviewer may not ask you to explain the string slicing, but what they will do is they will give you a string and they will ask you either to reverse the string or to print only the first three letters, last three letters, or the intermittent letters, or any other requirement, whatever they want you to print, you have to print it using the slicing. So this one we will discuss now. Okay, let's take the string as hello world. Yeah, this one actually, when I am attending many interviews, most of the interviews will give this same string hello world. I don't know, you might also be getting the same string in your interview. So for your convenience, I am taking the same string. Now let's try to understand the syntax first. Start position, end or stop position, anything is fine. End position, step increment or decrement, or this will determine the direction also. Now let's try to print. Okay, before this I will tell you one more thing. So the default value of the start position is 0, and end position is the length of the string, and step increment or decrement value will be always 1. Start position default value is 0, end position default value is length of the given string, and step value is 1. That means that if you want to copy string 1 to another variable, let's say string 2, then you can write like this: str1 0, length of str1 1. Let's try to print str2. str2 hello world. As I told earlier, you don't need to define because they are default. Okay, you just can simply declare the column, that is enough. Here itself I will write str3 equal to str2 double colon enter str3. Okay, now the famous interview question, okay, which is to reverse the given string. What you need to do, str4 equal to str3 colon minus 1. This is very important. You can by heart it. Okay, so what we are doing, we are going to print all the values in this string in a reverse direction. str4. Okay, now what if he asks only to print hello? The time you have to print from the first index till 1 2 3 4 5. So 5 letters are here. Okay, my mistake. str1. You can see it printed hello. Now what if he wants to print world? str1. What is the index of w? 0 1 2 3 4 5 6. and this is enough, because we don't have anything next to it, anything after world, so we can print like this. And in my previous example I have given like this, right? I don't need to write like this. I can just simply type :5. That is enough, because this is the default value. And what else? The interviewer may ask to print LLO space WO. That time what you need to do, you have to calculate the index again. 0 1 2 2 and up to WO 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So this is how you can solve the questions. And sometimes for an unknown length string, okay, that time he may ask you to print the last letter. What you can do, str1 of -1. This is called negative indexing. It will print D. Okay, and what if he wants to print the last but one letter, str1 of -2. Okay, so what if he wants you to print the last 4 letters, str1 -4 up to the end. So like this you can solve the question given. There are many possibilities, many things you can do with this. Okay, and you have to know about the step increment also. Okay, let's try to do one more. So what actually happens is, when you increment by 2, it will skip the alternate letters. Okay, now it will print H, L, O, W, R, T. You can see that here. And the same happens when you give the negative index. Here also you can give the negative indexing. Colon -2. Okay, what is happening? D, R, W, O, L, H. Yeah, right. So this is how you can solve the problems using slicing operation. Hope you understood. If you have any questions, you can comment out in the comment section. If you have any other interview question, or if you want solution for any other Python problem, you can ask that question also in the comment section. I will try to explain it in my later videos. Thank you.